Okay, interesting enough to continue with the chakra frequencies and the cellular energy grid. When I just take the 3 frequencies, like starting with the root, for example, break them down to their simplest forms, and I'm just noticing the patterns. You know, like I see a 12-12, I see a 3-0-3, you know what I'm saying? So basically, like the root chakra frequencies break down to this pattern: a 3 and a 69 are heaven, and then another 3, you know. Yeah. And it's the same as the throat. The throat does the same thing. The throat numbers break down the same exact way as the root numbers. And the root numbers show, the next one up is the sacral, and 12-12, 303, and 606, it shows the numbers, you know, that are coming next in the root. You know, ascension, ass, sense, ion. So then after the root, we'll skip the sacral right now, because the root and the throat are the same. The solar plexus and the heart are the same. And go figure, right? And their numbers both break out to this fly speck, 248. 248. You know what I'm saying? And then the last one, the third eye and the crown, are exactly the same too. These two are perfectly balanced. They both break down to 3 9s. You know, perfect balance. 3 9s. So the only different one is the sacrum, the sacral, the sacred. You know, the sacred. You know, it's the only one. It contains the only chakra frequency with 4 digits, 12-12. You know, when you take 12-12 plus 606 plus 303, you get 21-21, which is the mirror of 12-12. You know, and 21-21 is, you know, 21. U is the 21st letter of the alphabet, so 21-21 is 2 U's, or double U, or a W, and the W goes fractal, or 2 U's, which 21 times 2 is 42. You know what I'm saying? And then down here we got, yeah, so anyway, the V, it's a totally different pattern. A 7-4-6, which equals 17, which is a Q. You know, back to Q again, right? So all the other ones, you know, like these two up here equal 66 or 12 or 3. You know, these two, the heart and the solar plexus, equals a 14 or N or infinite or V. You know, and the third eye in the crown is 999, perfect balance. And this one is special in its own right too. And then down here with the 7-12, and you got these numbers on the grid. You know, in the other video I showed how I switched the 50 into a 12. I turned the 110s into a 12, and then this plussed into a 12, and the 7 canceled out, and that's a 12. You know, and it's connected. Like the 110 down here is actually connected to the 3D Earth consciousness line. So Earth consciousness, 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. You know what I'm saying? Isn't that where was that? Can't find it now. And then also, you know, the fly spec, the 3,858 magnets needed for the cellular energy device. You take the 12-12, you circle that, that's a 3. You circle these 3, that's a 5. 3, 8, 5, you know, 8, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just interesting patterns, that's all. But the sacrum is sacred. Anyway, I think there was a little more, but that's enough.